How's she going? Well, I just at Canadian Tire. Got myself a new bird feeder. That puts me up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10. So I'm gonna go and throw the seed in and then I'll be right back. Start feeding them. Start feeding the boys. Oh, I was all over the place today. All over the place. Canadian Tire, went to the Irving beer store, had my truck done. It's had the oil change on the truck. And all that stuff like that there. So this mic isn't the best, I know that. What can I tell you? Where's my knife? Hang on. Where's my knife? I need my knife to be able to open the bag. Oh, it's got a little rope on it here, but it's not the same. Go, bird. You have little bird feeders? Do you like birds? Eat the squirrels. You know what the problem is when you're 56? You get weak, you get tired. I hate it. Hang on. This is the first in our boring as shit video series. Number 1, bird seed. There we go. Get this mother on here now. You know, it seems like a lot of bird seed. It isn't. It's 8 pounds worth. One of those containers, 3/4 full. But I mean, this will be gone in a week. A week with all the squirrels. Squirrels and like at the backyard the other day. There's a bunch of deer standing there eating all my seed. Of course, when you're 56, it's fun. You still half of it. The pigeons will come down and get that stuff. Oh, okay, get that. Now I get this new one here. Tear the tag off and leave everything else on it. I'll load this baby up. Show you on the. Woo! Yeah, all over the place. All over the place today. I'm done and got my growlers filled up at, pickaroons. Okay. I'm gonna probably put that one, yeah, right over here. Am I on? Yep. Oh. Okay, so we got black seed, black seed. I'm gonna put a mix of black seed and regular seed in this one. This stuff will be gone soon. So it doesn't take long. I think I'll just leave the black seed thing up there. Ernie's helping himself to some sunflower seeds. My dog eats sunflower seeds. Can't believe it. What a weirdo. So, put a bunch of black seed in there, and then a bunch of mix. Top off with some more black seed. Like I say, this will be gone tomorrow. Well, probably not tomorrow, but the next day. I keep trying not to let these birds eat everything, but gosh, it's hard. They love it. The squirrels and the birds. Oh. Okay, that one's up. One more in the front and we're done. Isn't this exciting? Now this one here, I'm just, that one right here, I'm just putting a regular seed in. Get that done. I'll take you around back. Okay, the birds set up back. That's where I have all the, what are called, seed for the finches and stuff. I have all the suet cakes and stuff are back there. Ernie, watch your lips. Don't you, Ernie? Good boy. Stay here. Stay out here with Daddy. What in the world? There we go. Okay. It's all filled with the tiny grain stuff, so that'll go right in the front. Jennifer's going to be super mad. Got 4 now in the front. She don't like that. I'll take you around back. Let's go. Ernie will probably try and come back, but he's got himself all screwed up. Alright. So as you can see, oh gosh, I gotta get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 suet cakes. See, the deer empties this one. The deer just come and empty it. I'll fill it up for them. And back here, 4, we got sort of half, so 4. I need 5 suet cakes. I can't afford all this stuff, guys. I don't know what they think I'm made of money or something. Alright. Take these and fill them up and then bring them back. Woo! Sorry for the length of this video, but Thing is, I don't really care. I care about you guys. I just don't really care about these. I mean, I've got a full-time job. This is just fun. This one's hard to fill up. The deer will be back tonight. Well, why don't you put a trail cam up and get me a picture of the deer eating all your bird seed? Because I don't care. See, I told you it was hard. I hate it. This is my most difficult. It's my oldest one too. All right, that one's all ready for the deer. Stick that down there and fill up this last one. I'm gonna have to sweep all those husks off the. Nothing exciting good. Your spouse is probably going, "What are you watching?" Well, I'm watching this Canadian guy in his 50s fill up his bird feeders and then take them back to where they go. Very exciting. You can sit in the toilet and watch these videos. That's fine with me. So, but he's ready to go. Oh no! I forgot to take you guys with me. Let's go. I don't know what you'd ever do if you never saw me fill up a bird feeder. Cry probably. Don't blame me. Whoa! Why are you looking down? Get up there. Whoa. Here we go. Yeah. Well, they're gonna get them anyway. So. Those there. Yeah, it's coming. Don't worry. Birds are already sassing me. Want their. All right. Hey man, that's the best I can do. Not my fault. Let's go. Whew. Man, that's rough. There's Aaron. Hey Aaron. How you doing? Hey buddy. So I gotta get this stuff swept up. I'll spare you that, but I get everything stay. I mean, I get everything filled up for them. They're just hanging around the neighborhood waiting for me to go inside, so they can. I don't know if these. That's not a problem about having stuff like that on your front step. So I'm gonna take these in, get some rechargeable batteries, and back up. Well, thanks very much. Oh gosh, 15 minutes. Listen, thanks for feeding birds with me today. You know, nothing else to do. You're sitting on the toilet watching Olympic hockey. Canada beat the Czechs 3.5 minutes to go. Suzuki scores, and then Mariner, I think, in overtime. So Canada are into the semi-final. And congratulations to Slovakia and go USA. I hope my friends down in the USA beat Sweden this afternoon. They're already playing, but I'll go in, tune in here now, and hope for the US to take them. So we got to keep it over in North America here. That's the most important thing. So have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, like, subscribe.